The function h is defined by h of x equals 4x plus 28. The graph of y equals h of x in the xy plane has an x-intercept at a comma 0 and a y-intercept at 0 comma b, where a and b are constants. What is the value of a plus b? So we have this equation here, the equation of a line, and we need to find the x and y intercepts so that we can find the value of a and b, and then we just need to add them together to get our answer. So for the x-intercept occurs when the value of y is 0. So then x will be equal to a in this case. So we just need to find the value of x when y, or h of x, is 0. So we'll just set h of x equal to 0 and solve for the value of x. So we'll be left with this equation here. Then we can isolate for 4x by moving the 28 to the other side. So we'll subtract 28 from both sides. So we'll be left with 4x equals negative 28. Then if we divide both sides by 4, we'll get that x is equal to negative 7. So at a y value of 0, x is equal to negative 7, which means that a, which is the x value at the x-intercept, is equal to negative 7. Okay, so that was the x-intercept. Now let's find the y-intercept. The y-intercept occurs when the value of x is 0. So here x is 0, and then the y-intercept, or the value of b, will be the value of h of x, or y, in the equation when x is equal to 0. So let's just set x equal to 0. So we'll solve for the value of y, which is just h of x. But the value of x will be 0. So x is 0, so 4 times 0, and then plus 28. And then y equals 4 times 0, which is just 0, and then we'll just be left with the 28. So y is equal to 28 when x is equal to 0. And since the y-intercept occurs where x is equal to 0, then that means b is equal to 28. So now we have the value of a and b. So we can just add those together. So negative 7 plus 28 is the same as 28 minus 7, which is just 21. So the answer choice is A, 21.